Remove Visa card from Shopify. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove Visa card from Shopify. So the first step is go to Google and search for Shopify. Now in the results section, the option that says www.shopify.com, click on this link. You will be redirected to their website. From here, you will see an option that says login. From here, log into your account, and after logging into your account, you will be able to see their dashboard. In their dashboard, in the lower left corner, click on the option that says settings. After click on settings, you will be able to see all the setting options. From here, tap on billing, and in billing, click on the option that says manage. After tapping on manage, you will see different options: payment methods, VAT number, address and currency. Now click on add payment method and you will be able to see all the payment method added into your Shopify account. From here you can add or remove any card or method you wanted to. So that's how you can remove your Visa card from Shopify.